Smooth-On, the most trusted name in mold making and casting, presents Cast Magic. The Cast Magic casting system is a new and easy way to add an endless variety of bright metallic, glitter, and color effects to finished castings. With the Cast Magic system, you can create spectacular casting effects in a matter of minutes, versus hours or days for hand tooling and finishing. Finished castings are strong and durable. They are also UV and weather resistant. Ideal for making signs, displays, special effects, and other casting applications. The Cast Magic system is also good for reproducing sculpture and adding different cast effects to models and prototypes. There are three variables that make up the Cast Magic system. The first variable is the Cast Magic line of casting powders. There are several casting powders to choose from, and it is these powders that give you the final casting effect. The second variable is our So Strong line of color tints. The third variable is the Smooth-On casting resin that you choose to create a specific look: solid, translucent, or clear. By mixing and matching these three variables, over 500 different casting effects are possible. For our casting demonstrations, we will make a rubber mold of this original model made of terracotta. Smooth-On's MoldMax 30 silicone rubber is used for this and will reproduce perfect detail from this original. The first step in making a Cast Magic casting is to powder coat the silicone mold with a Cast Magic powder. For this demonstration, we are using Cast Magic Pearly Green. Cast Magic powders are concentrated, and very little is necessary to achieve the desired effect. This helps keep your cost per casting low. The goal is to powder coat the mold uniformly with a light coat of Cast Magic powder. The excess powder can be shaken from the mold, recovered, and put back in the container for future use. The next step is to mix Smooth Cast Plastic Part B with a small amount of So Strong black color tint. Mix with Part A and pour into the mold. In about 10 minutes, the casting will lighten slightly and is ready to be demolded. This combination of Smooth Cast 300 liquid plastic, Pearly Green Cast Magic powder, and black color tint created a bright silver green metallic effect that looks like it has been polished. And of course, the MoldMax silicone rubber mold reproduced all of the detail from the original model and is ready to be used over and over again. To improve scratch resistance and weatherability, the casting is then sealed using a clear acrylic spray. Ready for interior or exterior display. Next, we'll demonstrate the same powder coating technique, this time using fish scale gold cast magic powder and red tint. So strong red tint is pre-mixed with the Part B of the Smoothcast 300 resin. Parts A and B are then mixed thoroughly and poured into the mold. After a few minutes, the casting lightens in color and is ready for demolding. This cast magic combination produced a spectacular bright red metallic and gold effect in about 20 minutes. Clear acrylic spray is again applied to the casting surface, and the casting is ready for interior or exterior display. The next effect features Silver Ghost Cast Magic Glitter. What is unique about Cast Magic glitters is that they stay suspended in Smooth-On liquid plastics and do not settle out. The liquid plastic that we will use to create this effect is Smoothcast 325 translucent resin. Instead of powder coating the mold, this time we will mix the Silver Ghost powder with the liquid plastic and cast into the mold. In a matter of minutes, the casting is ready to be demolded. The cured plastic is translucent and allows light to pass through it, maximizing the reflective qualities of the Silver Ghost glitter. A display option for this piece would be to backlight it for a variety of interesting effects. And you can alter the effect by using a different powder and color tint combination. We hope that you have enjoyed this presentation of the Cast Magic system and have a sense of the casting possibilities that the Cast Magic system has to offer. Convenient trial sizes of Cast Magic powders, liquid plastics, and color tints are available. Contact your nearest Smooth-On distributor for more information or visit the Smooth-On website.